Welcome back to the Auto Chapter, the place where we dive into the world's most exciting, powerful, and innovative cars with real reviews, detailed breakdowns, and honest opinions. If you're passionate about cars and love discovering what's new on the road, you're in the right place. Let's open a brand new chapter in the world of automobiles. Only on the Auto Chapter. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated hypercars of the future, the 2026 Ferrari F80. If you love extreme performance, cutting-edge design, and that unmistakable Ferrari DNA, then stick around because this one's going to blow your mind from every angle. Let's jump straight into it and take a closer look at what this next-generation monster brings to the road. Right from the moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Ferrari F80, you know this car isn't here to play games. Ferrari pushed the limits of aerodynamics and futuristic styling to a level that feels like something out of a sci-fi movie. The front end sits aggressively low with razor-sharp lines slicing through the air, and those sculpted air channels pull double duty by cooling the powertrain while increasing downforce. The LED headlights are slimmer, more focused, giving the car an intense stare that demands attention. Along the sides, you get those signature Ferrari curves, only this time they're more exaggerated and engineered with functional aero grooves that guide airflow perfectly around the body. The rear is where the drama reaches its peak. Massive diffuser work, a floating wing design, and quad exhausts that hint at the beast hiding underneath. Every inch of the F80's exterior screams speed, precision, and dominance. And honestly, it's hard not to stare at it from every possible angle. Now let's talk about performance. Because Ferrari didn't build the F80 just to look fast, this machine is a pure performance masterpiece. At its heart is a hybrid powertrain that pairs a twin-turbo V8 with high-output electric motors, pushing total system output into the stratosphere. We're talking around 100 horsepower combined, meaning the F80 rockets from 0 to 100 km/h in under 2 seconds. That's not just fast, that's reality-bending. Ferrari optimized the power delivery, so the electric motors fill every gap in the torque curve, giving instant acceleration the moment you tap the throttle. The top speed easily surpasses 400 km/h, and thanks to an advanced all-wheel drive system and next-gen traction control, the F80 stays glued to the road even when you push it to the absolute limit. The suspension is adaptive, the steering is razor-sharp, and the carbon fiber chassis keeps the whole car incredibly light while maintaining insane structural rigidity. Whether you're carving through corners or blasting down a straight, the F80 feels like a race car disguised as a road-legal hypercar. Moving inside, the interior of the 2026 Ferrari F80 is just as futuristic as its exterior. Ferrari took a minimalist but high-tech approach, creating a cockpit that wraps around the driver like a fighter jet. You're greeted with carbon fiber everywhere, from the dashboard to the seats. And the digital instrument cluster feels alive with dynamic graphics that change depending on your driving mode. The steering wheel packs integrated controls, shift lights, and touch-sensitive panels, making sure you never take your hands off during spirited driving. The seating position is low and focused, giving you that true hypercar feel, yet Ferrari still managed to weave in subtle luxury touches like premium leather inserts, Alcantara, and precision stitching. The central infotainment display is sleek and responsive, paired with full connectivity and a premium sound system for those rare moments when you're not listening to the engine's roar. Even though performance is the main event here, the F80 doesn't compromise on comfort and technology, making the interior a perfect blend of speed and sophistication. And of course, everyone wants to know about the price. The 2026 Ferrari F80 is expected to sit in the ultra-exclusive hypercar category, with a starting price hovering around the multi-million-dollar mark. We're talking roughly $2.8 to $3 million depending on options, customizations, and limited edition packages. It's not just a car, it's an investment, a collector's dream, and a piece of automotive history. With production expected to be extremely limited, the F80 is the kind of machine that sells out before most people even know it exists. So that wraps up our full in-depth review of the 2026 Ferrari F80. From the wild exterior, designed to the mind-melting performance, the technology-packed interior, and that ultra-exclusive price tag, this car truly represents the future of Ferrari engineering. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment on what car you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.